How to delete Brawl Star account. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you ways to delete Brawl Star account. So in order to delete the Brawl Star account, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, go ahead and open up a browser, type in inggame.help.supercell support. I'm going to leave the link on my description box below as well. While you're on this page, scroll down a bit and then go to leave a message. When you press on leave a message, you just have to go ahead and select. So first thing, go ahead and select the topic, and next you just have to scroll down right to the bottom and then go ahead and click on leave a message. So when you actually go ahead and press on it, it's going to take you to this page where you can go ahead and submit a report. So for the report, what you can do is you can just type in delete my account by entering all of the information, that is your ID, name and all of that, and you'll have successfully, and it's going to take a couple of hours or minutes in order to respond to you. So you just have to wait patiently until you get further notified. So that is how you could go ahead and delete your Brawl Star account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.